Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with some happy mail. Yay, 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 yay. And my box came open on both ends like this, and I see some crumbs coming out, so I'm a little mad because I know the postal person threw this on my porch, and they probably went in my package, I don't know. But anyway, I do know one of the contents of it, and this is from Leah, and I have her link below to her channel. Show her some love. We were Zooming together, and I had just made a comment about how Old Bay seasoning has been out in my area for the last several months. Like, we went the whole entire summer. I don't think I've seen any since maybe May. And Old Bay is like the third most popular season in the house. Behind salt and pepper is Old Bay. I mean, like, Old Bay goes on everything, not just seafood. I mean, your french fries and your chicken and everything. So it's very popular in my house. And so my daughter came to visit a couple times and said, oh my gosh, like, why are you not buying Old Bay? I'm like, I can't find it. And of course she could find it back home where she's from as well. But anyway, so I had mentioned it and mentioned it at work and to see if anybody else was having the same thing, and they were like, yeah. And my director over there, right before we went on furlough last week, she left me some on my desk. She found some at Target, so she had said she had been missing some since May as well. And Leah had said, I found some, and Leah found a big container, and I'm so excited. So at least I know I have some Old Bay, yay, yay, yay. Starting out the video with some flavor. Alright, so, and Leah can bake. Oh my goodness, and I see some goodies, and I have to devour them before the first of the year, because you know that's my one of my New Year's resolutions, to get back off this. Oh gosh, not eat so much bad stuff, but this is going to be devoured like ASAP. Oh my goodness, dear. Nice tins as well. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Smell it. Do I smell the vision? Sorry. Just have potential. Yummy, yummy, yum. My kids are here too. Did she do it? What is it? My friend hates this saying. Won't he do it? A big container. Yes, yes. And I'm telling you, I love me some Old Bay on some french fries. Yes. Popcorn, everything. It's so good. People underestimate it. This is seafood. No, it says poultry, salads, meats, everything. Just grate out the salt and pepper. This was in my hand. Actually, I pulled it out before my salt and pepper, but you know. Yes. And then I'm gonna be eating. Oh, this got crumbled up, but don't worry, I can eat crumbs. Oh yes, yes. Yes, just looking with some cookies. And my grandson is here too, so yummy, yum. You've been good to me. This the one this one has a little tiny holder. Oh, and look how she got them all nice, gift wrapped in these gift bags. Oh, and look at this. What is in here? You didn't have to, but thank you. You didn't have to, but thank you. Look at that, look at that. I haven't had breakfast. It's like early in the morning, but you know what? Who cares? Sorry. I don't mean to be selfish eating in front of y'all guys, but delicious. Wow. Girl, you can cook. You can bake. I think her cakes, we all be joking through it. Tell me what we want some, and she hooked me up. Thank you so much, girl. I can tell it's some kind of loaf. I can feel it. I'm trying to make sure I open it up yet. Thank you, honey. All I was expecting was Old Bay, but I got some good. Oh, look at that. See, we have such a good scrapbook sauce. I know y'all wish I could smell it. Even better, I know y'all wish y'all could taste it. So all I can tell you is, since the girl is hooked up, I got my goodies. I just want to say thank you for this Happy Meal. Leah's link will be below. Check her out, give her some love and support. Tell her Don sent you. Thank you, Leah. You hooked the sister up. Yay! Alright, y'all take care. God bless. Thank you. Like that, you be safe.